Hey folks, I've been a bit absent and it's not because I went out for milk. On January 3rd, I tested positive for COVID-19. I've had some mild, semi-serious symptoms, but I'm feeling a little bit better and less delirious from the fever. I just wanted to say I had 113 subscribers on that day, and that was awesome, actually. It was perfect. But I came back to 131 tomorrow, apparently, and that's even better. I want to say thanks a lot for the support. I understand the message. I'm just gonna go get and take a week off after this video. All right, let's roll the intro. I had an idea after I was delirious, but not before, on chicken nuggets. I was hungry and was wondering if I had $1,000, how many chicken nuggets I could get so I could give them to a charity that feeds the hungry, because when I'm hungry, I like to be fed. And that sounds reasonable to me. The total counts that McDonald's actually sells are 4, 6, 10, 20, and 40. And unfortunately, they don't accommodate YouTubers with idiotic ideas. I have this data right here that shows how many there are in a pack, right? How many nuggets you're gonna get, the cost, and then the cost per unit. So this is how much you're gonna pay for every single one of those little beautiful chicken nuggets. Legally, my videos have to be educational, so these reductions are here, and they are as follows. The first reduction is the percentage discount as you buy more nuggets, right? Obviously you have 0% at the beginning, and then it increases as you go up, right? So you buy more and more nuggets. And then the second thing is a reduction, which is a derivative of this derivative, a second order derivative. And here you're getting the how fast the reduction is happening. So if you see here, this the reduction here on cost per unit is basically like 4 times as much. So you're basically just going even faster than what it was previously, and so on and so forth. If you're in school, the first order is also referred to as the slope when you're talking about a linear curve, for example. So yeah, that's something to think about for school. All right, we can actually see some interesting data here showing that the biggest fall-offs actually occur here when you go from 20 to 10, and the same thing when you go from 10 to 6. So if you're right there, it appears the unit reduction is also lowering. So if you look here, there's no unit reduction because there's really not much else. But if you look here, the first step after the 6 to 10 is just huge, and then it begins lowering and lowering. So it appears that the unit cost is lowering, but at some point there's a profitability problem, right? There's an actual cost to buying a nugget, and then there's a cost to selling you a nugget. And at some point, McDonald's just won't sell you a nugget if they're gonna make $0 on it, zero profit, or even negative profit, right? So I have 2 questions here. Without buying any 40 packs, what is the most amount of chicken nuggets we could attain if we extrapolated this data to saying, no, I have $1,000, right? What would the pack for $1,000 cost per unit? What would the reduction be over like the previous ones, right? And what would be the derivative of the cost per unit at that point, right? And the second thing, and the most important of it, is can ChatGPT do it? Because I am terrible at math, so we're just gonna try to do that, and let's just figure that part out, okay? Perfect. I love ChatGPT. It understood my query perfectly, but the question is, can it actually give me some data back? Okay, so we got 2 models that we can use. That's actually pretty interesting. So I don't know which of the models would actually, Try something different. I'm kind of curious if that's still gonna hold. If I had it, yeah, there you go. This is not correct though. Oh, wait. It wasn't the cost per unit though. It looks like the linear model is going to be the better choice here, right? This is the problem. Sometimes getting ChatGPT to realize what you're asking it to do when you're playing around with math is just, it just hurts your brain. And it still misunderstood me. If you look there, I told it to go in increments of 50 and then it said, oh, okay. I have found that quoting the section that it's screwing up on sometimes if the stars align will help you get to where you want to go, but it's just it's impossible sometimes. Yeah, see, there you go. So it did finally figure that out, and now we just have to correct the one last thing. I also do positive feedback just in case the AI overlords are coming to get us, you know, just saying. I'm gonna change it up. I'm not gonna ask less than 1,000. I'm gonna say I want the first package that's over 1,000. So a trend has appeared here. It looks like the lowest number is gonna be 31 cents per chicken nugget, right? It doesn't appear like we're gonna get there's just not a reduction there. Now it is definitely pulling the numbers of the percentages just out of its butt, because there's no way there's a 14% reduction between 30 cents and 30 cents. That's just wrong. And I give up. Okay. Stop lying to me, damn it. Okay, moment of truth. I actually have. What is not 900? Why is 900 there? Because it thinks. No. Okay. No. Try that. All right. Let's see if it stops complaining. All right. Perfect. Except it just forgot about the 500. It remembers eventually, but yeah. All right, so the answer is 3,315 chicken nuggets. That is the answer. That's how many chicken nuggets we would have. And so like that. There we go. See, this is our answer, and then we can grab this here formula and just bring it down, and then we see that appears to max out at 30%. That's it. So if you're seeing this part of the video, it means I have managed to set up a charity that will donate to Camilla's house. So we want to donate $1,000. Unfortunately, there's no way for us to donate that money and have it turn into chicken nuggets. But here's the thing: if we fundraise $1,000 for this video, I'll try to trick a random sponsor into giving me $1,000, and I'll take that $1,000. I'll go to McDonald's with this little beautiful thing I'll explain it to the manager, and you'll get to see their eyes glaze over in real time, and then maybe they'll send me 3,315 nuggets. But just to be, a little bit fair, I'm gonna do a little bit of math here. If I take this and I get 40 pieces, $2,500 nuggets. But if I could trick the manager into following my conversation with an AI, it could be 3,350 nuggets, and that would be great for people who are hungry, I think. That's all for now.